Say quads is the really short one, but free wing's gonna be the short one here. This is off of one of the planes, so that'd be a GoPro strap. It's another thing I like about bottom hanger drones. Like, it takes so long to strap these in, but it ain't that bad. I'll have it in just a couple minutes, or maybe a minute at that. Sucks right now. All right, let me go back on this. What are we doing? Throw this like that. That field right here? Yeah, okay, you see beyond this parking lot? Yeah. That's a big open grassy area right there. If they want to sit and chill, we just came from over there though, right? Yeah. Look, there's bleachers right there in the shade, but it don't matter.
They're gonna chill here, yeah, and then we'll go over there.
We can, for our first flight, since you're trying to warm up, we can go over there in that big field.
What is that?
What's up, guys? Okay. Check 1, 2, check. Good. Yep. Alright, check this out. I'll do a punch out with it on there. That's gonna be cool to see. Split us over this, or actually I'm gonna do a split us over this gap.
and his gold, Achilles and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can